TypeError. Can't use a string pattern on a bytes-like object in re.findall. I am trying to learn how to automatically fetch URLs from a page. In the following code I am trying to get the title of the web page. And I get this unexpected error. What am I doing wrong?
You want to convert HTML, a byte-like object, into a string using .decode. For example, HTML equals response.read.decode UTF-8. See convert bytes to a Python string.
The problem is that your regex is a string, but HTML is bytes. Since Python doesn't know how those bytes are encoded, it throws an exception when you try to use a string regex on them. You can either decode the bytes to a string, or use a bytes regex. In this particular context, you can get the encoding from the response headers. See the ErrOpen documentation for more details.
Based upon last one, this was simple to do when PDF read was done. Thanks at Aaron Fay.
Isso é o celular, isso é o segredo da